Thank you for joining our webinar today. My name is Dan Palmer, the Senior Technical Consultant here at EFL. We're joined today by Lee Underwood from Snom, who will be supporting us during this webinar. Thank you very much, Lee, for your assistance. In today's webinar, we'll be covering the latest releases within Snom's product lineup. If you have any questions or queries throughout the webinar, please feel free to drop it in the chat box and I'll either address it whilst we're on topic or at the end of the webinar. Today's webinar should be brief and take no longer than 20 minutes. We will talk about Snom as a VoIP manufacturer and go through some of their USPs before diving into the new range of products. All products that are being discussed here today are available to purchase from us here at EFL. Founded in 1997 in Berlin, Snom is the producer of the first professional VoIP telephones. Since then, Snom has developed some of the best and most feature-packed VoIP telephones within the industry. Snom is known for its robust, high-quality, and feature-rich business telephones. All of Snom's products are universally compatible with leading SIP PBX platforms. Snom is the preferred phone provider for 3CX, and full auto-provisioning is supported on the A-Star P-Series PBX. For more information on Snom handsets, please let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you. With over 4 million endpoints installation globally, Snom is one of the most trusted VoIP manufacturers in the world. In this section, we will discuss reasons why our clients choose Snom, from their product quality, long warranty period, device security and support. There's so much to love about Snom. In addition to the next 3 slides, we would like to mention that any Snom products purchased via EFL will be eligible for great sales and technical support from us. Since the beginning, Snom has been known for its high quality engineering. Snom has the lowest RMA rates in the industry, attesting to the quality that they offer. As standard, all Snom equipment comes with a 3-year warranty, showing Snom's own belief in their product and its quality. As a long-standing distributor of Snom, we are very proud to confirm the extremely rare occurrences of RMAs. We rarely process RMAs for Snom, and all clients have been extremely pleased with the product. With over 20 years of experience, Snom creates the best sound quality on the market. Snom hasn't stopped there. Snom's experts continually test and optimize all of their products within their own audio lab. Snom is certainly no one-hit wonder thanks to their awareness about quality. Every Snom phone sounds as good as it should. Snom puts security at the forefront of their agenda. Everything has been done possible to secure the endpoint. This includes individual SHA-2 certificates that come pre-installed, signaling encryption, SRTP audio encryption, HTTPS only web server, strong password enforcement, just to name a few. Once becoming a Snom official reseller, you will receive a rebate on every phone that you sell based on the partner level you're in. Furthermore, partners can choose a free demonstration device from a wide selection of Snom phones. Snom's partner program consists of 3 tiers, starting with the registered partners. Rebates start from the silver level and increase on the gold partner status. You can see full benefits of each partner tier on the screen now. Snom offer free of charge branding on their D8 and D7 series phones with a minimum order of 50 per order. This can be branded to your requirement. With the D7 series, Snom only decides on the outer design of the housing. You decide on the color and the operating possibilities. With the D8 series, the telephone screen surround is on a magnetic section. This can be customized to suit your needs. The beauty of this is that if you or your client decide to make further changes after delivery, you can order blank magnetic plates and send them to your printers for customization. So now we will be delving into the new DECT range from Snom. With the addition of 2 new base stations and 2 new handsets. If you would like to learn more about Snom's full DECT range, we've done an in-depth webinar last year going through the whole range of items of what they had at that time. So one of the new products is the M400. It's branded as a single cell base. It offers the full range of business telephony features that you'd expect. The base offers up to 10 narrowband simultaneous calls and up to 20 registered handsets. Features such as remote maintenance, zero-touch setup are provided for cloud and VoIP PBX partners. The Snom M400 base complies with the latest encryption standards and uses the same architecture for software and security updates as the well-known M900 multi-cell system. Adding to this unit's practicality, the unit can be mounted on a wall and operates within a wide ambient temperature range of -10 to +50 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for the likes of warehouses. In addition to this, the M400 can be used in a dual cell setup. This means an additional M400 can be added to increase your DECT reach. Another new product is the M110 SC. The base station is known as the M100 SC and is perfect for the SME sector. It can operate up to 10 Snom M10 SC handsets on the M110 S. Snom's own shared call emulation feature enables distributed call management on all connected M10 SCs without any prior programming knowledge and is separate to the PBX provider. The system can be set up and maintained both via the web interface automatically through provisioning. Software updates of the M10 SC are carried out over the air from the base station. This ensures trouble-free operation at all times. The M10 SC DECT base station can be powered by PoE as well and has a built-in shared directory. The new handset from Snom, the M30, has a large colored display, fits seamlessly into Snom's line of professional handsets. The M30 handset follows the design language of the more premium and ruggedized M70, M80, as well as the antibacterial M90. The M30 combines crystal clear audio quality with typical office features such as on-hold or transfer. The large battery provides up to 22 hours of talk time and 2 weeks of standby time. For quick dialing, 4 extra programmable keys for storage of speed dial, local contact numbers, as well as shortcuts to frequently used menus such as ringtones, the mailbox, or sent messages can all be conveniently stored on a touch of a button. The Snom M30 offers a high-quality 2-inch LCD display, 3-way local conferencing, 2 simultaneous calls, and a call history list of up to 50 entries. The Snom M30 is also HAC compatible. In true Snom fashion, the overbuilding and using high-quality materials, even this phone is drop tested to 2 meters and survives its test. Lee, have you got anything else you wish to say on this section?
It wouldn't unmute then, sorry. No, not at this stage. We do have some other new DECT coming probably in about a month and a half that could be quite interesting, especially to the guys out there that are doing small businesses. We have a new DECT product that is dual cell as well as the M400, but as well as having a DECT cordless phone, it will have a DECT desk phone that you can connect to it as well. But we'll probably do another little bit of a update webinar or send some emails out when we've got a little bit more information that we can share with you on that.
That's great. Thank you very much. So in addition to the handsets that we've mentioned above, the M10 SC is paired with the M100 SC base station. The handset combines elementary call functions such as holding, transferring with calls with crystal clear audio quality. The modern DECT handset comes with a large display and a backlit keyboard. With up to 9 hours of talk time or a 1 week standby time, this phone can be used during the whole business day without needing to be charged. The 4 LED function keys are freely programmable. Calls can be shared on several Snom M10 SC devices thanks to Snom's own shared call emulation. In combination with the M110 SC base station, up to 10 M10 SCs can be registered to make up to 6 simultaneous calls. Although designed for small office or home environments, this Snom M10 SC isn't lacking in functionality. This handset supports up to 2 simultaneous calls, N-way network conferencing, and full duplex HD speakerphone. So now we're going to discuss the highly exciting all-new D8 series phones. In this section, we will look into the D862 and the D865. There will be a high-end D895, which will be announced within the near future, which compromises a DECT wireless handset, a first in the industry, which replaces the traditional Bluetooth handset used by the competition. This offers a more reliable, interruption-free connection in high-traffic areas, which is a common issue with desk phones using Bluetooth. As mentioned earlier, the D8 series can be branded free of charge when ordering over 50 units. But Snom has an innovative solution where users can purchase the magnetic display surround separately to allow them to retrospectively add branding through their own channels. The D862 is the entry point into Snom's D8 series. However, this phone is anything but entry level. Snom has done a fantastic job in designing and developing the amazing phone. From a visual perspective and to both a technical standpoint. The D862 comes with a 5-inch display boasting a 1280 by 720 pixel screen, which equates to a 294 pixel per inch. This specification is unheard of at this price point when compared to the competition. The display can be adjusted by 40 degrees as well, meaning the display can be always seen, no matter what the lighting conditions. This phone comes with HD wideband audio, noise cancellation, full duplex speakerphone with 2 dedicated microphones. It can have 8 SIP accounts registered, as well as ambient light sensor and a hook switch sensor. Furthermore, Snom has added an antibacterial coating on all D8 series phones, making them the more hygienic choice, no matter what your environment is. Snom is known for their over-engineering and superior materials within their builds. This is very apparent on this phone. It's also noteworthy to mention that the line keys on the D862 are multicolor, and the phone offers 1 USB port and is also HAC compatible. The Snom D865 is a model up from the D862. Visually, the phones look very similar. However, the D865 incorporates 10 line keys compared to the 8 on the D862. Overall, the Snom D865 is a more feature-rich phone when it comes to the D862. The key differences of the two phones are that the D865 offers an additional USB port to make 2 in total, built-in Bluetooth 5, integrated dual-band wireless, 5-way conferencing, and up to 12 SIP accounts. Before I move on to the next section, I would like to say that these phones are gaining a lot of success within the market due to their rich feature list and great designs. If you would like to see a unit for yourself, please contact us for an evaluation unit. We are confident that you'll be as impressed with these phones as we are. Is there anything else that you'd like to mention before we move on, Lee?
Just a couple of things, really. Even though it's got 10 line keys, it's got 3 pages as well. So you've got 28 usable keys on there. Same with the D862, it's got 3 pages. So even though it's got 8 keys, it's actually got 16 or 18 usable keys as well on there. The thing that Dan pointed out about the antibacterial coating is becoming more and more prevalent in terms of desk sharing, people hot desking, downsizing offices, and actually having to share handsets. So the antibacterial coating on the plastic helps prevent anybody passing colds and flus on as much as they should. And it is long waited, but they're now in the market, and as Daniel said, we're getting really good feedback, and people are really enjoying the experience. So we're happy to give out evaluation units, as we've said.
Thank you, Luke. So now we move on to a couple of new headsets that have been released by Snom. We've been trialing these units in our office, and I've got to say we are thoroughly impressed with them. These headsets are incredibly comfortable, high quality, and at an amazing price point. The A330 range of headsets are fully functional over-the-ear headsets from Snom. So the A330D and M, D is for duo and M mono, has speakers with full band audio and microphone with passive background noise suppression. This means from now on you can concentrate fully on the conversation. The ambient noise is reliably suppressed. The replaceable ear pad is made with soft imitation leather with a memory foam filling. This means it can be used all day without causing any unpleasant pressure points. This feature also extends the life of the headset, as the ear pads are the main touch point that can fade and fail over time. For long-lasting comfort, the adjustable headband is also padded. The microphone boom arm is adjustable by 270 degrees, allowing the users to adjust the boom to where it's required. But it also allows the user to use the headset with the boom positioned on either side of their face. The headset can be used with either a 3.5mm jack, as well as connected to a Snom IP phone or a computer via the USB. This means it can be used across a wide range of common communication platforms. Snom has incorporated one of the best indication lights that we have seen in the industry. The light surrounds the ear cup and is very visible from all angles. It indicates whether the user is on a call or whether they are available. Both the A330D and the A330M come with a remote control with LED indicator. That allows easy selection and controlling of call functions. The LED indicators showing the status of the headset. Lee, did you want to mention anything further about this?
Yep, so just obviously watch this space. These are our first in this range. Through the year, this year, we'll be releasing ones with an RJ9 connector to work in any phone, really. And then later on the year, we'll be launching a Bluetooth and a DECT version. So just watch this space. And as Daniel said, the quality and the sound quality of these headsets, they're probably a third of competition's prices for the same quality. So yeah, just watch this space.
Thanks, Lee. Like I say, we've been really impressed with these headsets. So yeah, really good. So now we're going to move on to some more accessories that have been released, which Snom have brought to the market recently. namely the C300 personal speakerphone and the Snom beacon. The Snom C300 is a lightweight, visually appealing, small mobile conference speaker. The unit is composed of a powerful 3-watt speaker and 6 beam-forming microphone arrays, which produce a crystal clear sound in full duplex. It also contains acoustic echo cancellation and has a 1.8 meter pickup range. The integrated USB rechargeable battery allows up to 24 hours of talk time or 5 days of standby. It can even charge a mobile smartphone. The C300 can be connected to a variety of devices via Bluetooth 5.0, as well as its USB cable. In addition, a headset can also be connected. The operation and configuration is done via 7 function keys, which comprises of 3 audio keys as well as 4 touch function keys. You can also control it within the mobile softphone app. The operations are confirmed via the multicolor LED status and by its announcement. The Snom beacon adds real-time tracking and positioning, as well as alarm solutions using DECT and Bluetooth to your existing M900 deployment. The solution works by connecting your M900 to a Snom M9B beacon. A beacon tag connects to the gateway via Bluetooth to allow you to track assets via positioning and alarm servers. Up to 10 gateways can be connected to a single M900. And overall, within the same installation, you can connect up to 1,000 gateways. For full functionality, this solution does require a compatible alarm server. The beacon gateway is compatible with third-party tags as well, using iBeacon, AltBeacon, and Edison types. The gateway has 4 integrated antennas to enable beamforming for precise positioning. The alarm function can be used to raise an alarm when a mobile object exits or enters a predefined area. This solution has been particularly successful within the medical and hospitality sectors. The beacon tag can be connected to an asset, either by the magnet that's integrated or the 3M sticky tape, which comes with the device. Is there anything else, Leith, that you wanted to mention?
No, I think all I need to mention on that one is we are looking at these things on a project managed case by case thing. We've got some really good case studies if anybody wants any more information on that, from things like logistics and warehousing to healthcare, hospitals, and hospitality. So if anybody does want some more information on how they can benefit those sectors especially, then just drop us a mail and we'll send you some case studies and some more information.
That's great. Thank you, Lee. So that's pretty much it from us here today. Thank you for attending. Our contact details are currently on the screen if you would like to get in touch. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them. We'll give you a minute or two to ask those questions. If not, we will call it a day. Hi, Richard. Just seen your question. Bear with us. We're just going to check for you.
So there won't be in stock as yet, Richard. Just to let you know, we just received our our first massive shipment into our warehouse, so they should be with the guys at EFL probably in about 2 to 3 weeks. So if you want to get any orders in for some test ones, then I would suggest you do it now, because it's going to be on a limited basis for the first shipment.
Okay, it doesn't look like we have any more questions coming in. So just again, thank you all for attending, and thank you, Lee, for helping us out on this. And yeah,
no problem.
Yeah.
If somebody wants to contact Richard, maybe offer him. We can probably get him a test one sent out from Berlin. If he wants to test the headsets, just let me know and I'll arrange that.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
No worries.
All right. Thank you very much for attending, and we'll end it there. Thank you.
Take care.